Isa sa pinakamalaking advantage sa business, hindi lang na may selling skills mo yung connection mo. The right connections also. It's very difficult to build that in a short time. But maging mabait kang tao, matapat, yung mapagkakatiwalaan, huwag kang maninira ng iba para maraming magtiwala sa'yo. Ayun yun karma yun babalik sa'yo kung ano yung ginagawa mong kabutihan. Okay? So, part of the building connections yan and maintaining them. I call it relationship warranty. Parang mag-asawa o mag-boyfriend, mag-girlfriend. Yung relationship, pag nag-break na, expired na yung warranty. Okay? So, yung mga connection, kaya ako binanggit, kaya may nangyayari dyan o wala for the longest time, maintain them. The relationship with them, okay lang yun. When you least expect it, biglang may blessing, darating opportunity. Ganon yun.